Hello guys, review smartphone Samsung Galaxy A73. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay, look completion. We have cheap completion, only cable in completion, Type-C cable, and key for SIM slot, without charger. Okay. Device made of plastic, on the back side quad camera and LED, on the front side 6.7-inch display, on this side power key warm case, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, upside a slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card. Okay. Device without headphones jack. Turn on device. Okay, display Full HD Plus, Super AMOLED Plus matrix, 120 Hz display. Very smooth, very good display. And look, Geekbench file talk about system information. We have Android 13, CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 and GPU Adreno 642L. Results, good results, GPU test results, look Antutu benchmark results. Okay, and run demanded game GTA San Andreas. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, and now I show you what on the main camera. 108 plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 megapixels main camera.